Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and this is a Ford Granada Turnier, here in a model by German diecast manufacturer Siku. The model was introduced by Siku in 1975 in its 1000 series, which was a follow-up to its V series and remained in production until 1984. Siku made three versions of the Ford Granada Turnier, being this yellow version which was also produced in red, the blue 1322 version with the roof rack carrying a rubber boat, and the red 1617 version which was a firefighter car. Between 1975 and 1977 the yellow Granada was also available with a larger boat on a trailer. Sadly, Siku made the wheel wells a bit too large to accommodate the generic Siku wheels. The model is based on the Ford Granada Mark I, which was a European Ford model produced from 1972 to 1977 in Germany and the UK, as a successor to the Ford Zephyr. The Turnier was a 5-door estate version of the Granada, also known as a Ford Console, mainly because of a lawsuit from the UK communications company Granada plc over the use of the name. In 1977, the Mark I Granada was replaced by the Mark II. The car on the turntable has seen better days. One of its previous owners wanted a green car and went to town on it with a marker. The windows are scuffed and the wheels are losing their white decals. Moreover, this model would greatly benefit from some extra detailing, and no, it's not going to be green or yellow. So let's go to tools and give this model a makeover. The Ford Granada Turnier was a 5-door estate version of the Ford Granada Mark I, also known as the Ford Consul in the UK. This 155 scale model by Siku had suffered at the hands of a previous owner who colored it green with a marker. The windows are scuffed and the wheels lost their decals, so it was time to give this model a makeover and some nice new wheels. I went for this metallic orange by Tamiya, which was one of the factory colors of the Granada Turnier. I polished up the windows. Sadly, as far as I know, this model was only made with these ugly yellow tinted windows. The extra detailing front and rear and the new wheels by Greenlight make this model look a lot better. Sadly, I couldn't do anything about the wheel wells that are too large. If you enjoyed my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.